Hey, bro. How you doing? Good to see you. Doing good, brother. How you doing? Good. Not bad. I'm here. Bless. My light speed out today.
How does this thing even work? I saw you before and I was like, what happens if you fall off so little?
Antibiotics and painkillers.
Oh shit. It's probably bad for your stomach.
Yeah, dude, it makes you constipated.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Shit. I guess that's the problem.
Yeah.
We get the
Things are not all bad.
Okay. How much the milk do you get?
How are you?
Good amount. Good amount, nice. Enough. Yeah, I was like pretty young when I got mine out, so I was like, I should have lived life on the edge.
More of a drug addict when I was
Yeah, pretty much, yeah.
Dude, look at that building.
Oh, that shit?
Oh my god.
I walk by it every day, and I just get the fucking asbestos from it every single day.
Oh, nice.
Like, there's seriously just like huge clouds of it. It's definitely not safe. But yeah.
Yeah, that building was probably built a long time ago.
Probably a long
Back when
time.
they used shitty shit for building.
Yeah, definitely. It's pretty cool looking now, though.
Yeah.
So, do you like? It's gonna be apartments, right? Do you know where the actual like newspaper's gonna go?
They always fucking knock it down and then they build luxury apartments that no one can afford.
I mean, yeah, except for like the billionaires around town.
Yeah. Do you like people who have lived in New York and make millions and just want to like live somewhere else for fun?
Yeah, yeah, pretty much. But yeah, I mean, the paper's like not going away, I assume, right?
No, I think it's definitely so.
Yeah. You always want to check your tires before a ride, and if they feel like squishy to the touch, they're probably they probably need air.
Yeah, into all the vegetables. And then with it, we were at like 420, 425 for like an hour and 15. And it gets all crispy. It's really gonna roll the chicken out after that. That we just boiled. Yeah. I feel like I always go up and I miss like the egg.
Yeah, yeah.
They still hang like native and stuff.
I mean, it doesn't like goes in the fun part, however, I'll try to give it a little. I'm on left.
Yeah, we just like packed in a bunch of stuff into this room. I love it. And into the house. Like, it's been awesome. So, yeah.
Sorry. You alright?
Yeah, you good?
No good.
Sorry about that, dude. Just fucking around.
I wasn't paying attention. I saw you shooting like,
I like the Langster. Thanks, man.
The cocks are hot. Roll it!
He had to look over here because he couldn't look at her ass in front of him.
Good, good. Apparently there was, we don't know how old it was. Apparently there was a leak that
They do have higher taxes, but even though they do, I don't know, but I feel like that's just so it's comparable with like what's our house with stuff and things. It's better. Life is you can does seem like a little bit better. Yeah. You can rent nice apartments like white boxes and like oh 600. 8,000.
We're very much like able-bodied. I don't know.
Your friends like us. You're thinking about buying that car.
Oh, yeah.
I saw the list when I was down in Savannah.
What? Yeah, I don't think she's gonna get that back, which sucks because like,
Which is like, cause she's like, it's so sad because like, it's like, these young guys again. I forgot your name. I remember seeing you meet you last time. Larry. Oh, good one. You got me sometimes. Probably old enough to be my kid. You haven't? Did you go to do the one last week on the bridge? Yeah. Nice. I missed that one. I wish I would have went with you guys. It was like a lot of fun. Oh, yeah? Were you the first one? No. Have you done it before? Yeah. So that's probably no problem for you.
but it was where yeah, it was like a big well-worn celebrate everything.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
So I took some pictures. And I was like,
I've only trekked up there on the single street, so that's all I know. I have to go really slow, but it's about 6 miles per hour on the hill for me. It literally hit this house.
oh yeah.
Oh man. Well, didn't you tell me that about a lot of them? Like they can remember downtown side wasn't so bad. Going up the what they had for breakfast, they come with that. It's such a steeper incline. Going down it's a lot of fun though. You get almost 40 miles per hour going down there.
Like she could tell me all about her life in Brooklyn and like all about it. But her husband And so, but you know what? We used to have a piano player come in. She actually works at
Oh, no way.
She's like really old and like so fabulous, like makeup out to the nines. She wears like fabulous, like.
Well, I'm glad to see you again, Rick. Pretty good. I work pretty good. Rick.
Oh, okay, that's right.
Maybe, that's right.
My wife's down in
Anyways, she like
video camera in the corner.
Oh, she's gonna be over here? Okay.
Really know her.
but she comes play piano for us when we gather the
Looking
residents.
for you to come around.
And they'd all sing these classic
doesn't wanna
songs
ride?
because they know them. You know, like God bless
I'm trying to get my wife to go. She went once.
the
She has an electric bike. She doesn't ride as much as I do.
all the
Figured I'd get
songs
her
they would know.
I bet that was working
Oh, the best part, I probably have to hear them singing. They loved it. They danced. It was really fun.
Was it? So that was...
You know what else I think I loved? That I knew like every single person. So I knew, yeah, and I knew if you're upset, I know why. And exactly
she just doesn't have the
how I deal with you is different than how I
stand.
like.
I think if she got out and rode more often.
Wait, was it?
There's
Get fixated on
my life, her life, my life.
classic old
Yep.
I might do everything together.
No. I don't guilt her if she doesn't go.
You know, I tried.
I mean,
And
I'd like it if she did.
I knew,
We find out.
again, I knew like you've got 3 daughters and you've got 2 brothers. So, like one time I tried to like, it's in the shop. And it's like, it shouldn't be in the shop.
Gotta watch her English TV programs with her. It's not easy to do either. No, she watches the
Noted that. Like,
British
Like,
TV.
sister.
I'm never going to bring up these brothers.
Yeah, Dalton and Abby. It's hard for me to get into. I take it that it's like, all right, let's do it. She doesn't want me to ride. She doesn't want to ride bikes with me that often. I just won't watch her children. It's quite.
Like, I knew something about the car. I was never going to talk to her.
Yeah, she'd rather me do this than go hang out at the bar for 2 hours.
You should not get home till midnight. I can remember.
Where you been? Riding my bike around.
Yeah, and
You make a right?
I love my business so much. You know, I would tell people
Oh, they threw a curveball then, huh? It's a bummer. That's usually the way we go. That's why it's kind of surprise for this time. Yeah, I did.
Going the wrong way, dude. You shut your whore mouth before I fill it. You shut your whore mouth before I fill it. You want to put your foot in this?
She would like make noise. She would talk, but she was always she had this big smile. And she was like, I would never talk to her because she was stealing. But she loved to give hugs. We hugged so much. She was like, oh my goodness. I just love her. Like she would just like hold my hand all the time. Would just smile at you with all the love.
Beep, beep. Did you buy that off Facebook recently? Mm-hmm. I saw it. I was like, fuck. Good choice.
Second I saw it,
Dude, that is not, yeah. I mean, for the price. Run it! Get tight! We used to have one.
Run it?
Yeah. Nice one. Get tight!
Yeah, you can talk him down.
Yeah.
I mean, he had it dirty. The bearings were all kind of grindy. They need a lot of cleaning.
Dude, I'm telling you, like, fucking fixing wheel set on that thing. Pair of Omniums, maybe.
Yeah, I was looking for. So there was a dude that had Omniums on a Black Label 2. A month and a half, 2 months ago. He wanted 300-foot bike plus the Omnium.
Yeah, you can buy an Omnium.
Yeah, and so he was like,
Fuck yeah.
For like what? 200? Yeah.
I mean, they're not gonna be like mint, but like
No,
you're gonna fuck them up anyway,
Right.
you know? Like, just get like a new bottom bracket, get a new GXT on bottom bracket, and put like a nice new chain ring on it. You could even spray paint all the rub marks on the old Omniums. Dude, I've had the same pair of Omniums on my truck bike for like 5 or 6 years now. I've never had a single problem. They're fucking... they're nailed.
The only place I know that sells them new is if you buy them with a stamp.
Yeah.
They still have it in inventory, but they want a $400 price tag.
if you didn't have the number. If you had anything.
I think I bought mine new. Like, when the bike shop by me, they were like, we have the last pair and we'll sell it with a bottom bracket. And they were the size that I wanted too, 165. Kyle, by the way.
You ride a lot?
No, not with these guys. I just moved back to New York at the beginning of August. But I'm originally from here, like me and 2 other things. We were getting we all broke together. So that's how I know all these dudes. Ollie moved here from there when I moved up there. It was like a trading places situation. I was there for six years, some change. I moved there in like 2018. I had a lot. I never had a job in Brooklyn, believe it or not. You know, I could afford a shitty ass apartment or a room. And gotta go to the city for the big fucking moves.
Yeah, I don't know if you can sit down. If you can afford a Manhattan place, it's probably really tiny.
Yeah. Oh yeah. For like maybe like a year and some change, I had a really big room, like not 4-bedroom apartment in Queens. But I think that was just like luck of the draw. Like lots of people, it's like the same thing anywhere. You like know someone, friends. It's one of those things.
Hey, we're newlyweds. Hey, thank you. August 2nd. This is like super recent. Yeah, she found an awesome spot called this little mountain. Just outside like Chapin and Hermore, like Murray and all that is.
I gotta take a leap. Where are we at?
Yeah, it's right over in Lake Murray.
It's a cool little small town.
You like those Velo Sambas? I had like 4 pairs. And the last time I got injured, I was like, I'm not gonna ride my track bike for a while. And then my homie was like, oh, I'll sell you this GT for really cheap. Throwing Velo Sambas. I was like, done. I was like, you want my stinky ass shoes? You got it.
No, I like them a lot better.
Oh, yeah.
More comfortable than cycling. To walk around.
The whole thing is like you can walk into a bar and not look crazy, you know?
I went to a
that.
coffee shop and I'm slipping all over the place.
Yeah, totally. Especially road shoes, you know?
Yeah.
And like most of the time I wear mountain shoes.
Yeah,
The only time I'm wearing road shoes is if I'm actually fucking booking it on a road bike. Like doing a long ride and I'm trying to go fast, you know?
If I'm on a Peloton, that's about it.
Oh shit, people still have it?
Your feet, man.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. After COVID, I'm sure.
Oh yeah, you get it for 150, 200 bucks. Usually with everything. Now I got a pair and I wore it once, hurt my feet. So I went to a mountain bike too, and then I came across these Velo Sambas.
Yeah.
I'm big on
Oh
these.
yeah.
I just realized you had a cat in the back. That's cool. A little cat for a ride. We got a great cat too. We have 2 great cats. I don't know if my cat would like a bike ride. I got one of those backpacks with a glass in the back.
Yeah.
And I'm willing to ride with her in it to see how she does. If she does good, I'll probably take her on a long ride.
Roll it!
Like, they weren't feeling it. They're like, why do we have for these? Like, yeah.
Alright.
It's old people.
They'll I'll be dead in like 10. I don't know how it'll be like Snoop boomers. You know what I mean? I'm already old and cranky. I'm only 33. Damn, dude, you know, you're too young to be cranky, dude. I know. That's the best year to your life.
Our capability of enhancing JLTV. You know what JLTV is? JLTV. The joint logistics.
What is this shit?
It's like a land vehicle that's replacing the Humvee. Very versatile. An outfit with all kinds of different
over here. What is this? What's that?
Death Row. The vehicle being developed, I think it's made by Oxide. And we take those vehicles and we retrofit it with all the equipment. High-tech equipment. We're about to roll out. There are 500. We just passed our 500th vehicle. And we're ready off for deployment whenever we do the next big thing. When that next big thing happens.
Well, certain places. I thought I had it.
Caribbean.
I have really we're gonna go ride Nah, not the same one. I have a feeling.
Thanks, Billy.
I didn't even realize. I got what's going on in the back of your bike. Yes,
Camera. The same camera I had last time we went around. I just stuck it on a selfie stick behind you this time. I like a different view.
That's a good jump. 3 feet of air?
You know, it's a sledgehammer.
July, Older Bay.
Yeah, they do this.
We're trying to modernize all the equipment that we have. Secure it better because cyber is a big thing.
Roll it!
Want to destroy.
Clear!
So we have a really good counter cybersecurity plan with systems in place to protect our systems and our machines.
Our bills are paid.
So nice.
No, that's the guy that corrected that. You guys ever heard of him?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I think it's still Byron.
Byron.
And that's what the stuff runs on. When everybody
This is a sick jump. Damn you. I know.
wants Taiwan.
No big deal, man. Holy shit. Man, you can't rip a 30 down your neighborhood. I'm thinking about mine.
remember the firework one?
Oh yeah. That was my first ride.
I got hit by that one.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, I was in the glass.
Is that why you got the GoPro?
Yeah. Well, I had the GoPro and I recorded it last time. Yeah.
I never saw a video.
I thought I tagged it on the Holy City.
I don't really use social media. Yeah, that was scary.
Yeah.
I was near the back.
I saw it pop in front of me and I thought I could get away from it. But it exploded that way and then it came back this way. That's where it hit me. Now the GoPro is just for us If we get anything awesome like that, we got it.
A little bit of excitement.
Yeah, he wasn't wrong.
I didn't mean to.
Typically when I'm riding my car and I see people, I'll at least try. Especially if there's a bike, I'll see that. I was on Folly Road going to Folly Beach and almost got sidetracked by a truck that was trying to pull into a gas station. He moved the lights on. I had to turn with it going into the gas station. They were going to run me over. I was in the speed limit.
One of my thumbs.
Yeah.
It had a massive tag. I don't have any alcohol. How are you guys?
Yeah.
That was like the first asthma attack I've had in
Pretty close. So we're going in.
And apparently, he goes, you know, for most of my books, I start with the title and work backwards. What? Can you believe that? That's crazy. I know, and I was like, damn, that's why this guy has such good titles. You know? Wind Up Bird Chronicles, IQ 84.
No, that's a different author.
Yeah, no, it's the same author.
I thought it was different.
I've read like half of it. I own it. And I just read the forward today where he mentioned that it's his author. That's great. It's the novel.
Yeah, usually like the whole park
Sorry, that was a joke about my coworker friend Steven.
Memorial.
Have me like
Water under the
so Molly, there was this band called the
ride up to
Oh my god, that one's so and now whenever he's doing something like
right
that,
now
he's
we're
like,
working
have you
on
heard of Dick Cheney? I say, Steven, this is this, so there's this band called the Beatles and it's a great shorthand
Unless
for
I'm
us.
riding early Saturday morning and I can
Well, you can
miss
talk
a
to
lot
my
of the
dad
traffic.
about it. Well,
On the
I'm
way
reading
back,
it
because I know the
too.
traffic is congested, I'll come back.
Okay, this one is a realistic one. there's no magical realism. I'm like, damn it, I love magical realism. And then he's like, and I didn't start with the title. And then he's like, and it's a love story. And I'm like, damn it, like I know that like, this guy, a lot of women
The other one's been doing a lot of beach rides.
Yeah. So I'm feeling like it's a little bit on a bad start, but I'm kind of loving it anyways. So that makes me feel like there could be more that I would love a lot. Yeah. But I'm so hesitant to love something I just started reading on Goodreads right now. What's up? Everybody coming. Everybody coming. Smile. Look under your seats, ladies. You hear that, Barbie?
I'll do that.
You're coming. You're coming.
We'll do that 20 miles if you ride from Mount Pleasant Water Park. The IOP, where the park is, and then back to that. Yeah, this is right about 10 miles. Or that's right, 20 miles. 10 miles there.
It's straight. And I'm always happy with it, especially on a beautiful night like tonight.
Yeah, it's a nice ride.
I mean, it's straight, but I hope it's been there.
Yeah, for a bit. Yeah.
Time with Gabby and Jack. I guess you weren't there for that ride.
No, what was that?
When we just like went out on a Sunday.
No, I was convalescing.
That's right. It was Super Bowl Sunday.
Yeah. Do you think the curse is over? Tell me, like, friend to friend right now.
I don't know. I hope so. Because I think it's going to get me next.
I said it to you or Aiden, but because you're the unluckiest girl in the world, and Aiden's God's favorite, and like, you know, how...
We're going to go to Portugal next week for a week, so we'll try to ride through there.
He probably
Yeah,
like,
well, it's
so
gonna
much
work.
dirt as a kid and me.
And I want to, I have some time to ride through town.
Anthony, he did have chicken pox. Shingles could come for him at any moment.
Shingles virus is already inside him.
Yeah.
Set the ball.
Maggie won't stop being like, because I told her about it. She won't stop being like, I keep thinking about leaving. And like, I've had to tell a couple of other coworkers because it's too good. I can't resist. Funny. But like, it's like Maggie says that, and we gotta be like, okay, fine.
Here we go.
Who's enjoying like the splendor? It's beautiful fall day. Not fall day. Summer day. Charleston has to offer the
Nobody. Nobody was in the office.
Not everybody though. Not everyone works in the office.
Yeah.
You're so awesome at rooftop yoga yesterday. There was we talked to the guy who's painting the hotel. He thought it was Monday. He's like, I gotta get out there for rooftop yoga.
Not to cut you off.
Yeah. As bad as it was before.
Hit a building and killed 15 people. Oh, no way. That was today?
Okay. Hey, let's do so what
Seems pretty typical. People. It's almost like harder to keep the slower pace.
so I gotta be careful.
You don't have brakes?
No, I was waiting for my levers to come in. We don't come in until Thursday. I got the brake shoes on the wheels, but I don't have the wire or the levers. They need you to grab onto me and slow me down. No, I can slow down. I just can't slow down very fast.
I had my first bolognese or whatever. Yeah. And I got a margarita.
I don't like it getting dark early. I like it when it gets starting late. So you're going to have a longer ride in the daylight. You ride any other time?
Almost daily.
How many miles do you usually do?
10 miles.
I know, that's how I was
Anyway?
No warning, you know.
No, that's that car earlier. Ready for anything.
Okay.
About to hit me and my cat? Nah. Nah.
About 8 miles one way.
Yep. I've rode it. I've rode it all the way from the Windermere Plaza all the way to the Stono Park, Stono Ferry Park. Yeah. Yeah, I've done that. I like that ride. Oh, has it?
You know, honestly, I would think get like a
Are they working on it?
They had it locked. They had it blocked 2 weeks before, but I just went around the area. Side of the road. This thing was like seriously,
Oh, wow.
So I started looking around for it.
Yeah, it's not very busy. Sometimes I'll ride around downtown. I would like to do that. That's a lot of fun.
I love to see
It's getting dark early.
Yeah, I just got this headlight a few weeks ago. We were finishing at dark.
Oh, yeah. Help. It's flashing right now. Take that one on a gravel road, right?
Yeah.
Kind of a hybrid.
Yeah, it's history which I purposely got.
So you want to whip your leg over?
Yeah. And it's easier when you stop.
I like rubbing the drink holder with it. I feel like I gotta reach between my leg and.
I got a little round thing.
Oh, the AirPod thing? The trackers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Buy one of these things here and then fit it underneath. Yeah, I got split pretty hard.
I didn't know my picture bike.
Yeah. Well, they recommend that you do two of them. And I see them.
In case they find one.
But see if you can't find one and think you're safe.
Yeah. That's a good point.
But I don't really leave it anywhere.
Oh, I know. I keep mine in my house. I have a lock. I mean, I know a lock isn't going to do much for somebody that has wire cutters, but more or less keeping honest people honest. But if somebody's going to want the bike pattern, they're going to take it. Yeah, unfortunately. I'm not going to make it easy. I almost got rear-ended today on the way over here. The guy wasn't paying attention on the interstate. I thought for sure he was going to run into my bike. Hanging off the back of the bike, go back in the car.
And then you rode your bike all the way here?
Yeah, I live in Somerville.
When were you going to get rear-ended?
On the interstate, the guy wasn't paying attention. I was slowing down to come into here.
Yeah.
And the guy wasn't there. Probably watching his phone. Not paying attention to the new law. I know. Going away. About 14.3. Crank it again. I thought we'd take a break.
That guy?
We stopped midway. Pretty good. Was he bucking it? He was moving.
Down we're going like.
I'm going 14. I'm going 14, and he has to be going at least 10.
That was a $20 skid.
Whoa.
Screw you.
I'm not a gas guy, ain't I?
Oh yeah. It's like lighting out a cigarette.
Gotta slow down. Yeah, see how your cat did. Do you take him on a lot of her?
Yeah.
Yeah, we take both
He's
of them
been on
every
more
week.
than him. He's been more hiding lately. He's more.
We have a
looking
gray
after
one
that stuff.
too.
Yeah, a little silver streak.
That's a blowjob.
Well, ours is also a Hemingway cat too.
Oh, nice.
Aww.
So yeah.
Yeah, we just got him off the street.
What's his name?
Blowjob.
Chloe, blowjob, blood
Blowjob.
Scotty. Call him Screech.
Cool name.
Mine's gaining a lot of weight, and so I call
Proud
it
has
pork
been on
chop.
Nick.
That's amazing. Kraut,
pork
yeah,
chop.
he does that.
Seems like a Proud.
And then this is Bernie Mac.
Bernie Mac.
Cats, dude. Get out of here.
I was gonna take ours. I have one of those backpacks with the
Yeah.
clear
Yeah.
back on it. Yeah, so I didn't
Yeah.
know if it
Yeah,
would like it or not.
We started with that first until they got comfortable. Then
We would take them here a lot and go into like a secluded area and let them get out of the backpack themselves.
Away from distractions.
Yeah.
And then we started bringing them into more social environment.
Gosh, I'm gonna do that now.
Well, where's the shy one? Oh, yeah, he's more shy.
Johnson does it right.
Oh, that's great.
Like, that's so good. Oh no. We lost one of my animals.